Masculinity is a complex and an often controversial topic, but it's also a key aspect of many men's self-identity and self-expression. The word masculinity has become very popular in recent years, although it is commonly associated with the term toxic masculinity.
It's harmful to be stoic. It's harmful to be competitive.
Bruh.
But who cares? You probably look like this, and you want to look like this, or even this. All of them are very attractive and masculine looks. I'll show you a few key factors which will make you look masculine and attractive. 1. Muscular physique, or an aesthetic physique. Having those broad shoulders and that narrow waist can make you look 100 times more attractive and masculine. The most important muscles for an aesthetic physique are the upper traps, upper chest, shoulders, abs, legs. Legs are the most important for a masculine look, especially glutes. Yes, glutes make you look strong. My advice is start training your neck, do neck curls, neck extensions. These make your neck broad and thick, which gives the most masculine look ever. Start going to the gym and work on your physique from now on. You'll get there sooner if you watch my video, which I will be posting soon about an aesthetic physique. 2. Facial hair. If you have a beard, then just choose whatever style you like and stick to it. Beard does make you more masculine, but a man without a beard can also be 10 times more masculine than you if he simply works harder. 3. Confident body language. I'd recommend reading books about body language and watching long-form videos about it, because it plays a huge role in our life. But some of my best body language tips are: do not put hands in your pocket, it makes you look like a beta. Stop it. Stop folding your hands in front of somebody important to you, or someone who you really want to talk to. It doesn't seem nice. Whenever you're sitting down, spread your hands slightly and take space, don't overdo it. And the most important part, shoulders always back and down. Always look like someone who is going to bench press. Chest out and shoulders back, head up. A firm handshake is always superior. Lastly, the most important part about looking masculine is actually being masculine. For being masculine, you really have to work hard. Go up on status, money, physique, and everything else. Going to the gym builds a sense of competence in young minds, especially when you hit those PRs and lift heavy weights. You must be better than the men around you, always competing but also being very humble and kind. Remember, we have no enemies. It's not the villain arc, it's the hero arc, boys. Be kind, be humble, do no harm, and work very, very hard. The grind never stops, and you'll automatically look and feel masculine. Just keep delaying gratification and love yourself. Subscribe for more self-improvement videos like these.